Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our arcade level 2 citizen developer skills foundations catalogs fourth lab, that is build a project tracking app with the app sheet. Okay, so without wasting time, start this lab, open it, and while it's opening I want to inform you that I already uploaded the solution of the previous lab. पिछली जितनी भी lab है उन सबके solution अपने चैनल पे मैं अपलोड कर दिए हैं. You can check the solution by simply clicking on the आई बटन ऑफ द वीडियो के आई बटन पे जैसे आप क्लिक करेंगे आपको सारे प्रीवियस सॉल्यूशन मिल जाएंगे. तो एक बार साइन इन करना पड़ेगा. सो लेट मी साइन इन फर्स्ट. So simply click on the start lab button once the page get loaded and you will get the credentials. Credentials are required to log in into the Google App Sheets and the spreadsheet. So simply right click upon open Google Sheets and open it in private window or in incognito mode. Otherwise you'll face certain issues. So incognito mode में इसे open करना है and email ID will be automatically pasted up. Simply click on the next button. We need the password only. हमें सिर्फ password चाहिए होता है. So for the password, come back to here, copy the password. This is the password. Again, come back to the console, paste the password here, click on the next button, and we get logged in into our app sheets or the Google spreadsheets. Okay, so we will be creating a Google app sheet with the help of the spreadsheets. तो हम ऐप बनाएंगे spreadsheet की मदद से. So what you need to do, simply come back to the lab now and click on this task number one. You will redirecting to the task number one. Right click upon this embedded link, that is project tracking spreadsheet. Right click upon this and open it in private window or in incognito mode. इसमें embedded link है, मतलब आप इस पे जैसे ही क्लिक करेंगे एक न्यू पेज रिडायरेक्ट हो जाएगा. Okay, so first of all we need to make a copy of this spreadsheet so we can work on this. So for that simply click on the file button and then click on a make a copy button and click on make a copy. Okay, so wait for it to create a copy. जब तक copy create हो रही है तब तक हम देखते हैं अगला task क्या करना है हमें. Okay, so we don't need to change the spreadsheet name. We simply go to the extension and create a app sheet with the help of this spreadsheet. Okay, so come back to here, wait for the page to be loaded up. Simply accept it, got it. Click on the extension button now. Once the page get loaded, then you will click on the extension button. Now hover upon app sheet. Now click on create an app and it will use this spreadsheet to create a new app with the help of this Google app sheet. So wait for the page to be loaded. We will select the student ID which is given to us. Select this. We need to allow some terms and conditions. So click on the allow button and we will be redirected to the app sheet. Now wait for this to create the app or the interface. It will do some initial tasks. So wait for it to get completed. So once your interface get loaded, you can cut this simply. Now click on this icon. We need to switch to the legacy editor, and from here select the data and click on this projects. Then we will go to the columns. Click on view columns button, and we need to uncheck this label and scroll down a little bit. You will see a slider in the below. So we need to slide it to the left. Scroll up a little bit. Keep scrolling. In the second table we need to uncheck this show and again scroll down a little bit. We need to again slide it again, slide it a little bit, keep sliding, scroll up a little bit, keep scrolling, and in the second row you need to uncheck this search. So let me check, come back to it, scroll down a little bit, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. We need to uncheck show, search, and label. Let's check. We need to uncheck search, then we need to uncheck label, and we need to uncheck the show. So yes, we are good with this. We need to uncheck this label, show, and search option. Now after that, what you need to do, you need to set the type of the link to the URL, attachment to the file, location to the address, and the budget to the number. So let's check URL, file, address, and number. So come back to here. It's set to the URL, and the type of the attachment will be file, then address and number. So it's file, and then it should be address, and the address would be of location. Okay, so the location type must be address. Select it to the address where it is. Let's see, select it to the address, and for the budget it would be number. Okay, so you can check it. For the budget it's number, so we are good with this. So for next we need to go to the status. For status we need to click on this edit pencil icon, then we need to type the value num. Okay, so come back to here, scroll up a little bit, keep scrolling, and for the status, let's see where is the status. Yes, here's the status. Simply scroll to the right. Yes, keep scrolling. We need to edit this today. So let me check if we are not making any error. Come back to the lab. So to verify, yes, it's not for the status, it's for the due date. Under the due date, we need to add this formula, that is work date. So copy it very carefully. Don't copy any extra spacing. Copy it very carefully. And now come back to here and click on this. We need to edit this. Then we need to remove this today and we need to paste what we just copied. Okay, So make sure there would be no extra spacing in the starting nor in the end. कोई भी extra spacing नहीं होनी चाहिए, नहीं तो आपको error show होगी. Okay. So once you are done with this, click on the save button. Then here, click on the save button. Now scroll to the left, keep scrolling, and click on this pencil icon beside the status. We need to edit the status. So for the status, let's check what would be the type will be enum. Okay, so type would be enum. Come back to here, click on this type and select enum from here. Then scroll down, we need to add some values, and the values is given to us. So scroll down, keep scrolling. Where is the value tab? Where it goes? Type details, yes. And the type details, we need to add some value. Come back to here, copy these value. First of all, we will add review requested. Copy it very carefully. कोई भी extra spacing या full stop या comma कुछ भी extra spacing हमें copy नहीं करना है. Under the value, paste it here, and make sure there would be no extra spacing in not in the starting nor in the end. Starting में मेरा extra spacing है, पहले मैं उसे remove करूँगा. Then I will click on the add button. Okay, now I have to add new request or the value. So come back to here, copy the next request or value, copy it very carefully. Again, don't copy any extra spacing or no any extra column or the what is this full stop. So remove this comma and make sure there would be no extra spacing in the starting. इस बात का बहुत ध्यान रखना है, कोई एक्स्ट्रा कॉलम ना हो, कोई एक्स्ट्रा कॉमा ना हो, कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा स्पेसिंग ना हो, नहीं तो आपको एरर होगा. ओके, सो कॉपी नेक्स्ट इन्फो वेरी केयरफुली. डोंट कॉपी द कॉमा वंस अगेन. बहुत ध्यान से आपको कॉपी पेस्टिंग का वर्क करना है. यहाँ पर पेस्ट इट हियर, क्लिक ऑन द ऐड वैल्यू. वी नीड टू ऐड वन मोर वैल्यू. Come back to here, copy this approved, copy it, come back to here, paste it under this section. Now scroll down a little bit, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. We need to add something, certain thing. Let's check what it would be. So for the initial value, it would be review requested. Okay, so copy it very carefully. ध्यान से copy करेंगे. Don't copy any extra spacing or the full stop. It's under the auto complete section, auto compute section. Okay, so come back to here, click on this initial value, and initial value would be the value that we just copied. So paste it here and click on the save button. Let's check again. Its initial value must initial value में होना चाहिए. Yes, it's in the initial value, and we can simply click on the done button. So scroll down a little bit, click on the done button now. Come back to here, scroll down, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. We don't need to do any other thing. We can click on the check my progress, and we will get the green tick for this task number 50. You can see assessment is completed, and this is the only task that we need to perform, or the check my progress in which we want the green tick. इसके बाद हमारी lab complete हो चुकी है. Congratulations, your lab is completed. Click on the end lab button, click on the submit button, give the star rating that you want to give. Also, you can leave any additional comment if you want. So give the star rating, click on the submit button. कम बैक टू द मेन पेज टू वेरीफाई वेदर वी गेट द ग्रीन टिक और नॉट. हम मेन पेज पे आएंगे चेक करने के लिए ग्रीन टिक मिला है या नहीं. ठीक है, और आपको ग्रीन टिक मिल जाता है लैब की वेबसाइट, मतलब लैब कंप्लीट हो चुकी है. एंड नाउ इट्स योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू गिव अ लाइक टू दिस वीडियो, क्योंकि अगर आपकी लैब कंप्लीट हो रही है तो एक लाइक तो बनता है. ओके, सो नाउ स्क्रॉल डाउन, open the catalog, and you can see we get the green tick beside our lab. It means we successfully completed this lab. So this is the solution of this lab. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the Telegram group. Telegram group हमेशा अवेलेबल है, आप मुझे पर्सनली पिंग कर सकते हैं और कोई भी क्वेरी या डाउट मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.